Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by selecting the exact word or cell that will hold the link. This avoids linking the wrong content. Once selected, press Ctrl+K to open Insert Hyperlink. This speeds the process and exposes options. You choose the link type, web address, place in this document, create new document, or email, because each uses a different field and behavior. Make sure to set the display text if you edited inside the formula bar, since that controls what viewers see versus the actual destination. Now you configure the target details. Paste the full URL for web links, or click place in this document to pick a sheet and cell reference. You set text to display so the visible word reads clearly. This separates presentation from destination. If linking to a local file, consider a relative path to keep links working when you move the workbook. Once fields are filled, click OK. Excel validates the path and creates the clickable hyperlink attached to your chosen word or cell. Finish by immediately testing the link. Ctrl+click, or simply click in Newer Excel to confirm it opens the intended destination. If the target needs adjusting, right-click the cell and choose Edit Hyperlink to update the URL, sheet reference, or file path. Save the workbook to preserve links. Troubleshooting tip. If a link fails, verify the exact path and network permissions. Relative versus absolute paths are often the culprit, so switch formats if you plan to move or share the file.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.